Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I would like you to tell me which is best engineering channel, which cover many aspects of plumbing, heating, gas, electrics, AC, building services, you name it. Which is the best channel out there for us? In my opinion, the engineering mindset is cut above the rest. It's number one. The only thing I think this channel is lacking is on-site videos. They should have more on-site videos. They've got the theory there, they've got the illustrations, the sound is there, the sound quality is amazing. Videos are almost perfect in my opinion. I find very little error in videos. I don't hear much error in the speaker. I don't see much error in the illustrations. For me, it's just well edited. Amazing. Apart from that, the only one that can come close to that, in my opinion, is John Ward's channel. I haven't seen enough of John Ward to really cast a true opinion. But nonetheless, the little that I have seen has been very good. Well taught lessons. John is a good speaker, a good teacher, and I think that his videos deserve much time and attention from plumbers, electricians, from anybody who's interested in engineering and getting better. His videos seem worth the time. Not much waffle, not much dead time, good videos. Heat Geek. I've seen little bits and pieces of Heat Geek, but there have been some recent videos on pipe sizing equations. They were good. I like them. They look good for advancing as an engineer. Eastway Electrical, the little that I've seen of him seems good as well. I like the questions, like this recent one he asked. Very good. And not just one thing. He has the van talks. He has the on-site work where he's working and you watch him carrying out fault finding and so on and installations. I like it. Andrew's videos, I would like them to be a bit longer, but nonetheless, they're short and sweet and technical. There's a few American channels that I follow as well. Are quite good. Stephen working on his new van at the moment. Plumb Like Tom, very wide variation of work on his channel. Wow, Warriors like this channel. Saw a recent video on some commercial work and it was very technical and good. Nice long video and a lot of information. There's a few other international ones as well that I like following. Let me know who you're following and if I've missed anything, because there are some channels that deserve some time. Let me know what you put your playback speed onto. So when I'm watching a video, I like to put the playback speed onto 1.5. What do you put it onto? What can you keep up with? I find anything quicker than that is just a bit too quick, and anything slower is just too slow and the video will take too long, especially a long video. Also, what do you think of YouTube Premium? I had it before for a little while. I'm probably going to try the free month with my Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm going to do the free month. I have paid for it before and paid the £12 a month and it was quite good and I'm missing it at the moment, but it's just that £12 is a bit hefty for just having to miss ads and so on. But nonetheless, the time and the stress from having to click the ads when you're driving is annoying. Plus, you have to keep the screen open. Whereas when I use Premium, I don't have to keep the screen open. I can close the screen and listen to the videos without having to kill my battery. Also, I can have music as well without ads. It's kind of good. So it might come back. I might do the trial for the 7 days and enjoy it for a while and then make the decision whether I'm going to start paying that £12 again. Let me know what you think of YouTube Premium if you've tried it. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time. Bye-bye.